I've always been intrigued by apprenticeships, like from high school and stuff, because obviously you get told about them. There's apprenticeships or uni. And I went to college and I was planning on doing HNC, and that kind of fell through. And I was kind of just didn't know what I should do. And I got a work coach to help me out, and they started mentioning apprenticeships, and I realised that I had the grades to be able to enter an apprenticeship in something I enjoy, like IT. So it was quite a eye-opening thing. And then when I actually finally got the apprenticeship, I got the call from Velocity. It wasn't something I was expecting. I kind of just thought it'd be one of them things I don't hear back from. But it was it's a bit of a confidence boost, really. It made me feel a bit more like I am capable of doing this stuff. It's very understanding. So I've got you and I've got Nigel, and I haven't really yet, like for the whole past year, it's just mainly been used to. And you both help in different ways. Nigel's very good at during the lessons and stuff. It's a very back and forth thing where everyone's communicating. It's not just like the teacher role. It's everyone's involved. Everyone's talking. We're sharing ideas and experiences that happen to us in work. And then with our reviews and stuff, it's really handy because I struggle to know if I'm keeping up to pace and knowing if what I'm doing is actually what I'm meant to be doing. So having our reviews and going through things, and I can ask any question I need to ask and you'll answer it. It's really helpful. 100%. Yeah, I think the past year, because I've got a couple friends who are like my age trying to figure out what they should do and stuff, or like whether they should go to uni or whatever. And I always say, if you think you can do uni, then do an apprenticeship, because there's nothing better. You're working, you're getting the experience while also learning about a topic you enjoy doing. It's not one or the other. It's because I don't think I could do uni just all the theory and all that. It'd be too much. Having to put my theory into practice and do it on a regular basis, it's how it should work. I think apprenticeships are really good. I definitely recommend Velocity as well, because the whole process of me like getting the apprenticeship and talking to, I think his name was Tom, who I first spoke to, his whole like interview process and stuff and keeping me informed was dead good. There was never a bit where I was like left out. I was kept informed the whole time. He told me where I needed to go, what I needed to do, what Gary was saying when he was first hiring me and that. So it was, yeah, I'd definitely recommend.